Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're the owner of a Gio Golf mobility scooter and if you're looking for information how to connect your phone with the scooter wirelessly by using Bluetooth, I'm going to show you simple steps what needs to be done. So power on your scooter, wait until display will be on, and on the right side of the display you're going to see word closed. That means that your radio is off. So push the power button and hold it for 2 seconds to activate your radio. And now you can hear radio is working. Now to switch from a radio to a Bluetooth, you have to use mode button. So push this mode button one time, it's gonna say no disk. Push it one more time, it's gonna say no disk, and push it one more time and you're gonna see Bluetooth logo and it says not linked. Now you go on your phone and go under the settings and click on the Bluetooth. Once you click on the Bluetooth, you're gonna see different devices, and one of them will be LTH DF1B. Push on this one, it's going to ask you to pair, and you push pair button. Once you do that, it's going to say it's linked. And now your phone is ready for playing music, for example. If you go on YouTube, click the play button, and you're going to control volume through this radio, through those two buttons, but obviously everything else is going to be controlled on your phone directly. Now I wanted to mention that there is no actual mute button, but your power is your mute button. So if you push it, it's going to mute. If you click it one more time, it's going to unmute. So your power button is your quick mute button. And this radio does not have any antennas anywhere on a scooter, but it has a short wire on the back of the radio, so that's why it's able to catch some frequency. And if you want to use a USB, here is a USB port, so you can use your flash stick if you have some music on a flash stick. Well, this is it. If you need more information about other like a diagnostic videos about your scooter, how to fix this and that, how to diagnose this and that, please click on my playlist, choose Gio Golf, and you will see all available videos so you can watch, and I hope it's going to be helpful for you. God bless you. Bye.